common mistake that I've seen is assisting or aiding a person engaging in unlicensed activity. So many of us have an assistant in real estate. I'm sure you may have one. I had one when I sold real estate. There are certain activities that the Florida Real Estate Commission considers activities that you need a real estate license for. There's an enumerated list. So if you encourage an assistant that is unlicensed to perform one of these activities, not only could they get in trouble for the unlicensed practice of real estate, you can get in trouble for assisting or encouraging them to engage in unlicensed activity. Another common problem is the failure to account or deposit escrow funds timely. So if you're working with a buyer on a Friday, they give you a check for their dream house, you put it in your briefcase or in your purse, the weekend passes, you've totally forgotten about it, and the next thing you know, you've violated the law because you haven't gotten it to your broker or to the escrow agent in a timely manner. Another area where agents run into problems is with fraud, concealment, misrepresentation, or making false promises. Sometimes an agent may be really hungry for a sale and hasn't made one in quite a while, so they may be tempted to leave out that piece of information they're afraid might turn the buyer off or cause them to lose a sale. But that simple non-disclosure could actually cost you your license and the ability to make a living. So another area where agents can get into trouble is practicing law without a license. I see this a lot in landlord-tenant matters. As a real estate agent, you're permitted to fill in the blanks on a lease, but you're not allowed to alter the lease itself. So a tenant may make an innocent request, you scratch something out on the lease form, and the next thing you know, you're practicing law without a license. The final area where agents can really get into trouble, and really the simplest one to fix, is attention to detail. In 2012, the Florida Real Estate Commission actually disciplined an agent for not entering the escrow agent information, address, and phone number. And I gotta tell you, almost half of the contracts that come into my office don't have this information. So this is a really simple fix, but it's an area where you need to pay close attention to detail to make sure you don't get in trouble.